Guys idol, tanungin kita, gusto mo bang maging pulis o idol mo ba yung isang pulis? Tandaan po natin guys idol na ang trabaho ng pulis ay hindi po madaling trabaho. Part po ng duty ng pulis is makuha yung loob, trust and confidence or simpatiya ng ating mamayan. Kaya nga, the police and the community are partners in crime. In our criminal justice system, the community itself plays an important role in crime prevention and crime suppression. Kaya napakahalaga po yung tinatawag na police-community partnership to deter crimes in eliminating criminal activities or opportunities. Batandaan po natin guys idol na hindi po madaling bagay yan. It should be the police who will instill force para magkaroon ng fear or takot yung mga criminals not to commit crime. Sa ganyang pamamaraan, maaari pong makuha yung loob, trust and confidence ng ating mamamayan. Marami pong mga strategy na ginagawa ng ating mga pulis. Gagaya ng mga mobile patrol 24/7, yung police presence or police visibility, yung beat patrol or deployment from strategic locations are part po ng strategy in order that the criminals should realize that there is no way out if they commit crimes. Gets nyo idol?